Hey guys, Oscar here for Poppy Daddy, and I'm at Starbucks doing some vlogging, and I found this cool machine I want to show you. This is called a Clover, and what it does, it's supposed to make coffee a lot more flavorful than the regular brewing system, I guess. What you see there is a coffee getting brewed very slowly through a super fine mesh. Instead of a filter, it uses a little mesh, and then the guy's gonna come and squeegee out that coffee, and then my coffee will be ready. This is supposed to be the best coffee, really good flavor. I've heard that quite a bit before, so we'll see. There's the coffee. You can see I'm just gonna come and squeeze that out into that container there and give me my coffee. So we'll see. Awesome. So it's done, huh?